Welcome to Startup Hub, where we delve into a variety of business ideas, strategies, and money-making ventures for those seeking their own business or those about to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. Today on Startup Hub, we will guide you through the steps of creating a powerful business idea that works. Let's dive in. Before we get started, do me a favor, grab a pen and paper. When I ask you to write something down, be prepared to jot it down. Ready? Fantastic. Let's kick things off. Crafting a winning business idea is like sculpting your path to success. We're not just brainstorming, we're shaping something extraordinary. First of all, tell me, what is a good idea? According to Nadja Schnetzler, co-founder of Brainstore, a good idea is simple, unexpected, and relevant. It should also unite extremes, meaning it should risk a lot but be easy to implement. It's not just about products or services, it's about solving a problem, meeting a need, or offering a unique experience. An idea that not only solves the problems of a lot of people, but is also straightforward to implement. So the building block of any idea is basically a problem of a lot of people, indeed. Now grab that pen and paper and write down a problem you have encountered in your community or industry. I've been facing a recurring issue lately. Every time I want to wash my car, I find myself heading to the car wash center and waiting in line, which is undoubtedly consuming a significant amount of my time. So the problem I have is simple. Wash my car without wasting time, and that's what I'm going to write on that paper. Now mark whatever you have written and move on to the next part, where we ask 3 questions in particular. Do a lot of people face this problem in their daily lives? Yeah, a lot of people have cars, and they need car wash. The target audience is set. Next, what options do they have to address this problem, and is it helping? This is called market analysis and scope. Certainly there are lots of car washing centers and market competition is high, but the problem is the time they consume, so our focus is on saving time to give a unique experience to the customers. Our objective is set. Ready to unleash your creativity. Take a moment to jot down 3 unique ways you can address the problems you've identified. This is where innovation sparks. First, I can provide a service where customers can schedule appointments. However, the drawback with this concept is that customers still need to be present at the specified time for the car wash, and it may not be as convenient for them considering it's not akin to a doctor's appointment, so no. As an alternative, I considered providing a doorstep car washing service. However, the challenge here lies in its complexity of implementation, and the associated costs for the service to align with our revenue goals are substantial, leading me to reconsider and discard this option. The next idea that crossed my mind was a car wash valet. The idea here is simple. Offering a premium car wash valet service combines the convenience of valet parking with the luxury of a top-notch car wash. Customers can arrive at a location, like a shopping mall or any event or even their office, hand over their keys to a professional valet attendant, and have their car cleaned while they go about their business. It not only saves their time, but also offers a unique experience for them. Now, how can I implement this idea? There are 2 options. First, I can open car wash stations around the area and create an app where they can book a valet, just like Uber. Also, I can introduce the valet parking and cleaning combo and VIP packages that include priority valet parking, expedited car wash services, and additional detailing options. This appeals to customers who appreciate a premium and time-efficient service. The next option is to forge strategic partnerships with local car washing stations in your area and hire dedicated valets to provide added convenience to customers. You would act as the intermediary, facilitating the car wash process and earning a commission from each service. So the idea we have is good, and implementation is easy as well. Let's talk feasibility. Write down the practical steps needed to bring your idea to life. We're not just dreaming here, we're building a roadmap to success. Entrepreneurship involves risks. Write down potential challenges and, more importantly, jot down strategies to mitigate those risks. This is your armor against setbacks, and there you have it, a journey to crafting a winning business idea. I hope you've got a page full of insights and inspiration. In the next video, we will be crafting a winning business strategy for you, so make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell, and let me know in the comments your thoughts and ideas for future videos. Remember, your journey to success starts with a single idea. Keep crafting, keep dreaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.